There's a rack. Came from Phelps's scrapyard. I sold him that as well. Back in the early 2000s. All the tools and bits and pieces, and I remember him putting his stove in as well. All them sticky letters there. When I had the escort van, I come down and I said, I want to put my name on the side of the van. He said, oh, I've got some sticky letters. So there was a couple missing there. You had to come up with something else for that. Cut bits off one to make a tea and all this other bollocks.
Yeah.
Hey, put your bloody hands in your pocket, come and start clapping. Start clapping when it stops, you know that something is going on, don't you? You know that? Alright. Yeah. Alright, thank you. I just feel it'll come with a bit of emotion, but
Yeah, it's just insane.
this was the empire, this was the bloody centre of the world at one point, this shed here, wasn't it?
Just growing.
I parked in the field and I walked through roll boats of, you know, someone's back up from the moon, they couldn't have more, and then there's a field well in the back.
Can I just squeeze through, gents?
There's too much to take in. There's nothing here for me, is there?
That's right, man.
All this British stuff's gone to the museum years ago.
We just squeeze through, gents.
Yeah, my naivety, I thought, oh, I'll find some rocket through striking crankcases, but I don't think so.
I don't think he didn't deal with much of that stuff, did he? You know, he had the commando stuff for his scrambles machines, but that sort of attack, there wasn't any call for it, was there really? Not that I can
Well, I
remember.
suppose back in, a long time ago, maybe he wasn't doing it.
What I do remember he had, it was a Previous Triumph taco cover with the, and it was chrome plated, and it was screwed to one of the walls here. You know,
We're getting to the cooks a bit now. Up the garden here. Of course, this used to be his father's shed on Martin. He used to do all his bits of woodwork and stuff in here. That was his little workshop, Martin. More old junk. Sheds upon sheds upon sheds of stuff. It all fits somewhat, and if you know what it fits, it's almost certainly a gem. And if you don't, it's just junk. And that's how it'll be seen, I'm sure. More up there as well. I've stood in this garden since I was 11 years old, and I'm 49 now. Obviously not all the time, but a fair amount of the time. It'll be sad to see it change, and all a bit emotional, really. Cheers, boss.
well, there's four of them, isn't there?
Yeah, true enough.
And that will have been spoken about, because I saw him the day before he died in hospital, because Hillary was in and out of hospital, and I go and see him at the same time.
Yeah.
And I remember it took me through, and you got a PSA Dandy, you remember them? Two of those out here. About a year or two ago.
Can you have a beagle as well?
Beagle, that's right,
yeah.
yeah. There might have been beagles, actually.
Yeah.
The bantams out here as well.
I don't remember them.
Yeah, they were there.
Well, they've been buried, didn't they?
Eh?
I don't remember the Bantams.
Yeah, there was a couple of them out there on the left-hand side as you walk in.
Cheers, fellas.
Too hot, baby girl.
I'll see you again.
See you soon, mate. Problem with jacks. They just take it in one go.